Welcome to our channel, English with NS. Hi. Have you ever heard of idiomatic expressions?
Idiomatic? What now?
Idiomatic expressions. They're phrases that have a figurative or metaphorical meaning, rather than a literal one.
Can you give me an example?
Sure. Instead of saying, "It's raining heavily," you could say, "It's raining cats and dogs." It means the same thing, but it's more colorful and interesting.
Oh, I get it. So instead of saying, "I'm very tired," what's an idiom you could use?
You could say, "I'm running on fumes."
That sounds better than just saying, "I'm tired." How about instead of, "I don't understand," what's an idiom for that?
You could say, "It's all Greek to me."
Ah, I see. So it's like using a phrase that everyone knows, to describe something else.
Exactly. It adds more depth to your language, and makes your speech more engaging. Another example is, instead of saying, "I'm very busy," you could say, "I'm up to my ears in work," or, "I'm swamped." These idioms paint a vivid picture of being overwhelmed with tasks.
That's great. I'll definitely give these idioms a try. How about replacing the phrase, "I'm happy," with an idiom?
You could say, "I'm on cloud 9, or, "I'm over the moon." These idioms express extreme happiness or joy.
You nailed it. Can you give me more examples of idiomatic expressions for common phrases?
Of course. Instead of saying, "I'm nervous," you can say, "I have butterflies in my stomach." And instead of, "I'm broke," you can use, "I'm in a tight spot," or, "I'm strapped for cash."
Oh, those are great alternatives. What about replacing, "I'm scared," with an idiom?
You can say, "I'm shaking in my boots," or, "I'm scared out of my wits," to express fear.
Those are really vivid expressions. How about an idiom for, "I'm confused"?
You could say, "I'm at 6s and 7s," or, "I'm in a fog." Both idioms capture the feeling of confusion.
I love how idioms can bring more life to our conversations. Can you think of one for, "I'm excited"?
Absolutely. You can use, "I'm jumping for joy," or, "I'm on pins and needles," to convey excitement.
These idiomatic expressions are fantastic. I can't wait to start using them, and impress others, with my language skills.
That's the spirit. Embracing idioms will make our conversations more engaging and memorable. Let's continue exploring and expanding our repertoire of idiomatic expressions.
Definitely. Thank you so much for introducing me to the wonderful world of idioms. I've learned a lot.
You're welcome. It was my pleasure to share this knowledge with you. Keep practicing and incorporating idioms into your everyday conversations. We'll catch up again soon.
Sounds great. Until next time, goodbye.
Thanks for watching. If you liked our video, please like, subscribe and also press the bell icon. Plus, don't forget to comment and share.